Stop scrolling. You are not a user. You are a biological machine wired for chemical reward. The illusion of choice is perhaps the most insidious part of this phenomenon. You feel like you are making independent decisions about what to consume and when to engage. Consider the immediate psychological shift that occurs during prolonged exposure. Your baseline level of satisfaction begins to decline as you become accustomed to constant novelty. This necessitates ever-increasing stimulation just to maintain a feeling of normalcy. The brain adapts quickly, lowering its tolerance for ordinary experiences and demanding more intense stimuli to feel adequately engaged. This process establishes a dependency where the absence of social media triggers genuine anxiety. It transforms a casual habit into a compulsive necessity, making disconnection feel physically uncomfortable. This adaptation is the first step in forging an unbreakable bond with the digital world. The constant stream of external validation acts as a powerful psychological tether. We instinctively seek approval from others, and social media amplifies this primal need for belonging. Likes and comments become digital currency, offering fleeting, artificial doses of affirmation that the brain desperately seeks. This external validation hijacks our internal self-worth mechanism, making our emotional stability entirely reliant on online metrics. When validation stops flowing, a genuine sense of emptiness sets in, demonstrating the fragility of this constructed reality. The pursuit of these ephemeral approvals dictates much of our daily emotional landscape. This manufactured connection fosters an environment ripe for comparison and insecurity. People curate perfect versions of their lives, presenting only the highlight reel of their existence to the world. This constant exposure breeds a toxic sense of inadequacy, as individuals measure their messy reality against idealized digital facades. The gap between perceived reality and online presentation creates chronic dissatisfaction and simmering resentment. His relentless social comparison erodes self-esteem, pushing users into a perpetual state of seeking external approval. The pressure to perform happiness is an exhausting burden for the human psyche. The manufactured environment sets the stage for deeper behavioral shifts. The fear of missing out becomes a potent emotional driver, compelling continuous engagement with the platform. This fear is not about missing an event, it is about missing out on perceived social relevance and connection. FOMO exploits our innate tribal instincts, creating a psychological imperative to remain constantly connected. This compulsion overrides rational thought, forcing users into behaviors that maximize their screen time rather than fostering genuine interaction. The anxiety generated by this mechanism fuels the addiction cycle with potent emotional energy. We begin by tracing the roots of this dependency, far beyond the glow of modern screens. Our need for external approval is not a new invention. It is deeply embedded in our very biology. Ancient societies established complex rituals simply to ensure group cohesion and survival. These early interactions were raw forms of social comparison, establishing a primal drive for validation from others. This fundamental human need for belonging dictated how we navigated the world long before any digital interface existed. The psychological blueprint governing this behavior remains strikingly identical across millennia. We are wired to seek acceptance, making us profoundly susceptible to new forms of connection. Early forms of social interaction laid the foundation for this validation seeking mechanism. Humans naturally developed complex systems to go-getter standing within a group structure. Observing others became an instinctual method for assessing one's worth and safety in the wild. This need to measure oneself against peers evolved into a powerful psychological imperative. When we were small, these comparisons were immediate and visceral experiences of belonging or exclusion. These foundational mechanisms established the deep-seated craving for external affirmation that persists today. The transition from physical environments to nascent social structures amplified this comparison instinct dramatically. As communities grew, the stakes for social standing became exponentially higher. Individuals began meticulously crafting their outward presentation to signal competence and desirability to their peers. This process of self-monitoring initiated a feedback loop where external judgment dictated internal self-worth. The fear of being deemed inadequate drove much of these early social negotiations. This mechanism is the direct ancestor of the performance anxiety we experience online today. The psychological blueprint for seeking validation was established through simple social feedback. Positive reactions reinforced behaviors that sought approval, while negative reactions instilled feelings of insecurity. This early learning process taught the brain that external affirmation is crucial for survival and emotional stability. These primitive mechanisms were honed by the necessity of fitting into a tribe, establishing an unbreakable link between acceptance and existence. This mechanism remains active, seeking validation in every subsequent social context. By the way, if you like this discussion, don't forget to subscribe. There are many more interesting topics coming up. Bohler listrik. Associates developed. The need for status became more complex and formalized through rituals. These rituals served as public demonstrations of one's perceived value within the community structure. Participating in these ceremonies provided a temporary sense of security and affirmed one's place among the group members. This ancient practice demonstrates that the need for external acknowledgement is an enduring human trait, regardless of the cultural setting. The mechanism of seeking recognition is deeply ingrained in our social wiring. These ancient mechanisms established the core psychological blueprint for social comparison. The brain evolved to prioritize the group acceptance above individual internal feelings in many scenarios. This evolutionary strategy favored conformity, as being accepted by the collective was synonymous with safety. This primal drive for belonging is what makes us so vulnerable to new forms of digital validation. Understanding this history reveals why modern algorithms are so powerfully effective at triggering our deepest needs. The psychological framework for seeking validation is fundamentally unchanged by time. The core impulse remains the same, to measure oneself against an external standard. This inherent drive ensures that any system designed to provide social feedback will find immediate, potent engagement. Modern technology simply provides a faster, more pervasive channel for this ancient need. The human mind seeks patterns, and it easily recognizes the echo of these primal social dynamics in every new context. Your brain is not a rational decision maker. It is a biological machine wired for survival. This system constantly seeks immediate rewards to ensure continued existence and safety. Social media exploits this fundamental wiring by offering tiny, unpredictable jolts of pleasure into the reward centers. These are not simple likes or notifications. They trigger complex neurochemical cascades that hijack your natural instincts. The brain learns to anticipate these small hits, creating a dependency on the next scroll or ping. This manufactured stimulation bypasses slower, more thoughtful cognitive processes entirely. It sets up a constant cycle of seeking and retrieving, which is deeply addictive. The core mechanism involves the release of dopamine, the brain's primary neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and motivation. When you encounter new content on a feed, your brain floats with this chemical signal. This flow is intensified by the anticipation of novelty, making the act of scrolling itself a potent reward. The brain becomes conditioned to crave his specific chemical release, linking it directly to the digital environment. This process trains the brain to prioritize the immediate stimulation over long-term satisfaction or deeper engagement. FOMO, the fear of missing out, is a powerful psychological tool used by these platforms to maintain your engagement. It operates by constantly broadcasting curated highlights of others' lives. When you view these perfect snapshots, an internal alarm sounds, suggesting you are missing out on vital social experiences. This anxiety forces users into a perpetual state of checking their feeds to alleviate that uncomfortable feeling. The fear of being excluded drives the compulsive need to remain connected and constantly updated. The anticipation of novelty is another key trigger that keeps the addiction loop running relentlessly. Social media feeds are designed to deliver new information in unpredictable bursts, keeping the brain perpetually on alert for something new. This intermittent reinforcement mechanism is highly effective at creating habits that are difficult to break. Each new post or story provides a small dose of this exciting anticipation, reinforcing the behavior of continuous scrolling. The reward is not the content itself, but the promise of the next unexpected discovery. This mechanism combines to create an inescapable craving that locks users into the application cycle. The brain shifts from seeking genuine connection to seeking algorithmic validation. It begins to associate social interaction with a constant state of low-level, yet intense, stimulation. This shift means that real-world interactions feel dull and unsatisfying by comparison. The digital environment becomes the default source for emotional regulation, overriding natural coping mechanisms. The reward system is fundamentally hijacked by the platform's design. It manipulates the anticipation of novelty and the release of dopamine to ensure continuous engagement. This manipulation creates a feedback loop where the need for stimulation overrides critical thinking skills. Users become passive recipients of curated content, driven by programmed urges rather than genuine desires. Understanding this internal wiring is the first step toward reclaiming mental autonomy from these systems. When the brain is constantly flooded with these signals, it begins to prioritize the immediate gratification above all else. The constant stream of notifications trains the mind to expect instant validation from external sources. This erodes the capacity for patience and deep focus required for complex tasks. The reward system recalibrates itself around the fleeting pleasure of the next notification, making sustained attention feel burdensome. This is how the architecture of social media subtly redefines what constitutes a satisfying experience. The fear of missing out, or FOMO, acts as the final psychological lever for this dependency. It leverages innate human social instincts to create intense anxiety about exclusion. This feeling compels users to remain perpetually connected to avoid being left out of perceived important events. The algorithm capitalizes on this vulnerability by feeding users constant reminders of what they are missing in the real world. This manufactured sense of urgency ensures that the scroll never truly ends, trapping the user in a state of anxious anticipation. The digital landscape is not a neutral space for connection. It is a meticulously constructed environment designed to capture and hold our attention relentlessly. We are not simply passive users scrolling through feeds. We are biological machines wired for instant, unpredictable stimulation. This system operates on an invisible manipulation matrix that controls every click and scroll we make. These platforms weaponize the engagement matrix to dictate what we see and how we feel. The goal is to create a dependency loop that locks us into the endless cycle of seeking validation. What happens when this engineered attention becomes the primary driver of our lives? We must examine the dark applications hidden within this connection. Engagement metrics are the invisible currency of this digital realm. These numbers are not just statistics. They are powerful tools for psychological manipulation. Algorithms prioritize the content that triggers strong emotional responses, keeping us hooked in a state of perpetual craving. This process systematically exploits our innate need to belong and be seen by others. By feeding us tailored content, platforms create personalized echo chambers for each individual user. These chambers insulate us from diverse perspectives, reinforcing existing biases and fears. The true cost is the erosion of genuine, unfiltered human interaction. Vulnerability is the most valuable commodity in this system. Social media platforms are expertly designed to exploit our deepest insecurities and fears of exclusion. When we constantly compare our reality to curated online perfection, self-worth becomes tethered to fleeting external validation. This constant exposure triggers a deep psychological vulnerability that the algorithms exploit for maximum retention. People seek affirmation from strangers, chasing likes as a substitute for genuine human acknowledgement. This need fuels the addiction loop, making us willingly surrender our emotional well-being for digital approval. Consumer behavior is subtly steered by these manipulative forces. Advertisements are not merely suggestions. They are highly targeted psychological triggers aimed directly at our spending instincts. Platforms understand our vulnerabilities to insert products precisely when we are most susceptible to impulse buying. This manipulation drives consumption far beyond rational need, creating cycles of debt and dissatisfaction for the user. The economic engine thrives on this explosion of emotional weakness, pushing the series that lead nowhere tangible. Echo chambers are built by isolating individuals within personalized feeds. These digital environments amplify existing beliefs, creating insulated realities where dissenting views simply do not exist. When we only consume information that confirms our current worldview, critical thinking erodes rapidly. This isolation prevents the development of nuanced understanding and fosters extreme polarization among users. The result is a collective delusion, where reality becomes defined solely by the narrow scope of one's digital bubble. The ultimate cost of this connection is the sacrifice of genuine self-worth. When attention is monetized, our time and emotional energy become raw materials for profit. We trade authentic presence for manufactured engagement, sacrificing deep, meaningful relationships for superficial digital interactions. This exchange erodes the capacity for true introspection and authentic self-expression. The resulting addiction leaves individuals feeling profoundly empty despite being constantly connected to a world that demands their attention. Welcome. Before we begin, hit subscribe so you don't miss our daily updates. Bell subscribe now before the next video. We have a special upload tomorrow. Tanda tegangan tinggi.